we have this bad boy. Vegetable crumbles with pasta in taco style sauce. MRE. Bags on bags on bags. Wrappers on plastic. Forever till the end of time. I want to start with the extra stuff. You can accumulate the shit out of these. I do, and then I consolidate and put all of them into one spot. You got 2 pieces of gum. You got your little toilet paper. They give you a towelette. I believe there's always salt in there. Sometimes it's coffee with creamer. This time it is inside my other plastic bag. It's a beverage additive, raspberry type 3. So, you know, a little sugar. And then there's usually iodine salt. So that's everything that's in there. What's interesting is normally they give you a book of matches too. This one didn't. Apple cinnamon nutritious energy bar. That's gonna be good. Trust me, I know these things. Jalapeno cashews. I think those are gonna be good too. Might regret them, but it's okay. French vanilla cappuccino instant powder. Got more peanut butter, chunky peanut butter, chili lime hot sauce. We got my 1 spoon, which is great because I didn't bring a utensil. Your heating pouch if you want to make your meal hot. Crackers for the peanut butter. Raspberry applesauce, just killing it over here. So they give you your heating device. Normally when you heat these things up, you're supposed to put them in this and then like lean it like that and let it heat up. Vegetarian taco pasta is just in this one shot and that's it. So we're going with the apple cinnamon nutritious bar. Oh dude, oh these things are, they're nutritious bars can they can be rough to get through. Like if you look at these things, they are not easy to chew. It looks more like peanut butter crushed up in nut. It's not terrible to chew. Some of these have been harder for me than others. It breaks off fairly easy. .3 ounces. Packing me 270 calories. Three grams of protein. .270 calories. This is interesting. Because MREs are for the Army. I don't know, primarily, if they're only supposed to be. But I've heard a soldier's supposed to eat 3 of these a day. So we're gonna add up the calories on this one. And we're gonna see where we end up. 270 plus 108, 378 the cashews, plus 120 from the mochaccino drink, call it 500. Crackers at 180, we'll call that 680. The peanut butter at 160, is that like 840? Applesauce 110, 950. The main meal 250. Yeah, give or take 1200. It's not bad. I'd eat more MREs. They weren't so expensive. Like they could probably cut back on as much packaging as they do. I don't know why they do that. Well, that energy bar was not as bad as other energy bars I've ever had. Applesauce was raspberry puree. Well, I was gonna hit the water, but I think the applesauce will wet my whistle. Oh, that's so good. There's so much flavor in this. I would destroy more of that, I'll tell you that much. So I got crackers and peanut butter. We're gonna save that cappuccino for a nightcap. Jalapeno cashews. Now this thing is like airtight. Like I don't even know how to go about this. And like, how many could there even be? Okay. Jalapeno cashews. Oh, yeah, that's just airtight. But these things, woo, jalapeno. Look at that. These things are covered in jalapeno dust. Like, I feel like I shove this in my mouth, I'm gonna instantly bite it. There's a kick there. Oh, it's coming back. This is the back of the throat. Heat's working. Like, these things could not have more jalapeno on them. A little bigger handful. It's not overwhelming either. It's enough for me. We're gonna go for the rest. And this should be the biggest handful. This is like double the last one I did. Got my nose running. All leftover powder. Straight to the tongue. Just jalapeno in a wave. My nose is running. Those are really good. I actually recommend those. I wish I had more. We're going for peanut butter and crackers. These crackers always fall apart. There's no way they don't. They're packaged so airtight. If I could slide these out whole, it'd be a miracle. Oh, oh, satisfaction. There's one. There's two. Peanut butter. Some of these things do not rip well. Or maybe I overdo it, I don't know. It said chunky. Peanut butter's peanut butter. So to consolidate, because there's not enough peanut butter, I'm just gonna break it into 4 pieces. I was hoping it'd be a lot cleaner than that, but it wasn't. Peanut butter crackers. You want to talk about good crackers? MRE crackers. Top of the scale. Top of the scale, hands down. This is good. This is good living. MRE crackers. I love me a good MRE cracker. The only problem with them, not the crackers, the peanut butter. It takes me so long to get through it. Peanut butter does not go down easy. That's it. I'm not gonna fight for the rest on this one. Which leaves me with my coffee, my main meal. Vegetarian taco pasta. Not using the heater. MRE should start using forks. Right? Okay, yeah. Usually it's just a jumbled up mess. Like I can see the noodles in there with all their vegetables and shit. So we're gonna go for a spoonful of this, then we're gonna add all the chili lime hot sauce, which could be a regret tomorrow. And the flavor, I've never had a problem with these. The flavor is always fair. Like, you know what you're getting with an MRE. That's where I've come to the conclusion. It doesn't matter to me if it's hot or cold. It's pretty good. Not a picky person. All right. Chili lime hot sauce. Don't do me dirty. Oof, oh, it's a lot. It's a lot of liquid. All right, and it's all in there. Ooh, a lot of flavor. A lot of flavor in that hot sauce. Okay. Let's give it a little bit of a toss. Gotta hit your corners. Ooh, that chili lime hot sauce is good. Not a bad deal. I almost wish I had more of that chili lime hot sauce. Chili lime hot sauce. That's it. That's all she wrote. I'm gonna save my cappuccino for sitting by the fire. And of course I got this bag for useless shit I don't need.